Welcome to Teddy Ganja Broadcast. Get informed, yeah. Don't get rotten fool. Just be cool, yeah. Get informed.
Hello. How are you doing this fine Tuesday, September 5th? Guys, it has been a pretty expected day for me. Almost everything I thought was going to happen yesterday did happen today. We went sideways, nothing new. So we're going to go right into it. I hope everyone's having a wonderful day. Before we even begin, I do ask if you have clicked on this video or you're watching this video now, please subscribe. It is hard finding crypto individuals like yourself that want to learn and grow their knowledge. So if that's something you're interested in, please smoke that like button and also subscribe. It helps the channel out. We're going to go right into it. Our live stream here is segmented. We're going to start off with the crypto markets and really the changes in the crypto market or lack thereof of changes, right? So uh, let me start off with the global crypto market cap 1.04 trillion, guys. Zero increase from yesterday. It's relatively the same. It hasn't neither increased nor decreased. We're going sideways. And the cool thing about us, we live stream every day at the same time, 8:15 p.m. Eastern. So we've been watching the market around the same time, Monday through Thursday, and you start to wonder, hey, when's the best time to trade? When's the worst time to trade? As long as you're looking at the markets at the same general time frame, that is your trading time frame. Don't look at any other time frames. Just figure out, hey, this is when I check the crypto markets every time. And it seems to work for me because when you change it up, you start trading in the mornings, at nights, and the afternoons, it starts messing with your mojo. So find a time that works for you. For the goons, it's 8:15 p.m. Eastern. We look at all the chats so you don't have to. And if you ever just need to catch up on what's going on with crypto, well, you're definitely in the right place. So with that, let me just quickly catch up with the chat. Selmo Fudd, what up, Teddy? Triple G's, what up, SK? Nice to see you, buddy. Anthony Williams, smoke that like button. Dynastic Wolf, episode 303. Get it, Teddy? We're there. 303 indeed. Hey, Teddy and the Goons. Hey, Teddy and the Goons. Hey, Teddy. Hey, Goons. Let me just refresh, see if the ETH one did pop up. ETH dominance is in. BTC dominance is in relatively the same of yesterday, 48.24 BTC, even though we're a little higher in price than yesterday by, or actually we're lower in price. I think yesterday we were just around 26.1, 26.2, and now we're at 25.8. So definitely a hit. But the dominance has not changed. And same thing with Ethereum. One thing I never talk about, USDT dominance. Nice to see that it is holding that 8%. And we'll see what happens with that. BNB dominance continuing to dip 3.17. I want to see if we can go under 3%. The price action is relatively the same. Hey, Dylan Games, nice to see you, buddy. What's going on? How are things? Fill us in. What are you up to? What are you looking at? So yeah, that was the heat map. Other fun ones, best cryptos, you know, Shiba Inu is trending, but really nothing has happened more than a small increase. And I think this only came up to like maybe a 2 or 3% increase on the day. So not even that much, guys. So I see all these Shiba Inu fans, Shibarium's coming back. That's coming back. Someone knows something. I don't know. I think it's all speculation. Nothing's set in stone yet. And, that's the one thing that we continue to monitor. Let me see here. So we did want to talk about Shiba Inu. So the other one was Blur. I know it's been a while for you guys. Stick with me. Blur was the replacement of OpenSea, right? So they were trying to be the best NFT um, uh, variant rather than OpenSea. So we have seen a lot of good things said about it. We're now seeing some price action overall from where it was to where it is now, definitely a big hit. We're talking $5 compared to 19 cents where it sits now. But if they do want to take on OpenSea, well, these are the things that they have to do. So keeping an eye on Blur just to see if it's just fake volume or it's actually going to take off. Harry Potter Obama Inu. Dude, this is one thing that I cannot keep up with all these meme tokens. I think this one's actually, let me see. Where's the website? Here we go. Yeah, about Harry Potter Obama Inu. Let's see. Yeah, it looks pretty good. They got a video. Like even the website is like super degen similar to Pepe, so I think it is taking off for those reasons. Other than that, there's no reason. Let me see here. Dude, this is Harry Potter Obama, Download and install MetaMask. Tokenomics. This is so chill. Let me go to Dex Tools. Oh, it's just called Inu. Okay, I see. Teddy, we're just called Inu, Teddy. We're making the big moves, Teddy. Yeah, you're overbought like anything right now, so we got to see if this continues to pump. 841K market cap, 98K in liquidity. Really not that much, but the pump is there. And we will continue to see. Those Inu ones always seem like a pump and dump. Yeah, this 100% pump and dump. And Dylan's game said never heard of Blur. Blur was one of the OGs, man. Blur.io was going to be the one. Teddy was going to take OpenSea, remember? We're going to do it all. And then they did nothing. That's the issue there. Let me just quickly go back. So Harry Potter, yeah, this one was a new one. Did not see that before. I must have missed it. I was looking at biggest gainers. Want to reach out to Red Sox. I know I didn't see him say hi, but Red Sox did tell us about stacks on Coinbase. It actually is doing fairly well. I was able to grab some myself on Coinbase. It's doing better than when I got in. So shout out to Red Sox there. Because you had only recently told me about it, and I had gotten in around this mark. So we'll see what ends up happening. Yeah, so let's see. Maybe sometime September 2nd. I forget. When did he tell me to look at it again? I only had done it a few days ago, but I saw it in my portfolio. I was up sometime maybe August 26th sometime. It was right around this thing, like 46, 45 cents, and now we're at 48 cents. So we'll see. Maybe this is the reversal, but shout out to stacks there. Almost everything else expected. Oh, Gala, I called the bottom. Hopefully that was the bottom, but it's hard to say anything's a bottom when you're looking at price action like this. So let me see. So right here, 7 days. So I think this was September 4th, which was yesterday when I talked to you about the news and how Gala Games founders were going against each other. So right now, a lot of people in Gala Games are either bullish or bearish. I continue to remain bearish. Still want to see what comes out of all these lawsuits that the founders are putting against each other. So that is it for market. Oh, wait, I missed crypto futures. How could you, Teddy? How could you? We still are exactly the same that we were yesterday. Ethereum, still not too much change in long versus shorts, relatively the same. And same thing with BTC, not too much of a change. If anything, people are going more long on BTC. Normally we see this average around 70. It's about 1% more today, and it is leaning towards that Bitcoin week. So keeping an eye on whether it's a Bitcoin week or not. I'm hoping altcoin would be nice. It's been a while since we've had some altcoins come up, so that will be the next week looking ahead. So what that means usually is anytime it leans towards altcoins, Bitcoin's usually doing negative or just not trending much, while altcoins are taking off like anything catching up to the market. It very well could happen But unfortunately, it looks like Bitcoin may solidify itself a little bit more. Let me see here. So that was crypto. Shepe. Oh yeah, how is Shepe doing? Oh yeah, we're looking at the Shiba versus Pepe. Let me just refresh. Look at this. Okay, still relatively okay. We'll end up catching up there. All right, so we got to catch up on the news. Let me move over to the news. And the main takeaway being one, Coinbase coming out with a new service for large investors. September, the platform is 57 million September 1st. Actually, I thought they did say when they're releasing it, end of September, end of Q3. The new service differs from the controversial lend program Coinbase canceled in 2021, but you know they're reusing the code. Within the service, institutions can choose to lend digital assets to Coinbase under standardized terms and product that qualifies for a Regulation D exemption. Coinbase is working to update the financial system that was built over 100 years ago, leveraging crypto to provide people with more economic freedom and opportunity to advance this purpose. Coinbase is building the most trusted crypto products and services, um, supporting other builders to bring 1 billion people into crypto. So their goal is to bring 1 billion people into crypto. And it is just a hilarious goal because, you know, in reality, Binance may be the first person to do it if Binance still exists. If not, you know, with even the volume alone, it's a tough sale. But hey, maybe over time they will do it. Let's see. Not too bullish on this news, but this was one of the main takeaways. So they're basically like, you know, what is it, MakerDAO? There's another few lending platform DAOs. That's what Coinbase is basically doing for all of us. So we'll see what ends up happening. Did you see Ben Armstrong creating a new channel? No. Did he don't get rug pulled? I will not. That is the goal. What's going on, Selmo Fudd? Nice to see you. LMFAO PLNT Critical Thinker. Nice to see you. Dev ran off on that, I think, bro. Um, PLNT went to PLNT Max, I think. They went to a V2, and I think the V2 is currently still trading, but I have lost plenty on PLNT Max, but the token price is still trading as far as I know. Damn, PLNT was something that I wanted to see succeed. Dude, me too, man. And I felt like everything was stacked against PLNT Max because they had the VR, they had good partnerships, they had a good roadmap. Even the guy, Jason of PLNT, like everything about him, the guy has suffered a lot. So not truly sure the full story. The community has tried to tell me what's going on, but after what I think Jason had to return back to work and a lot of things, but he did everything good for PLNT Max, and it is sad where currently could be trading, but hey, you haven't lost hope yet. They can always come back from this. So as long as we got Jason, I think we're good. Yo Goons and W, nice to see you, buddy. What's going on? Long time no see. Long time no see. What was it? Just yesterday? Coochie boy. Coochie boy indeed. Coochie boy's always here. Okay, so the other one that everyone keeps talking about is more and more analysts saying, hey, there's no reason to reject Bitcoin ETFs. The things to confirm or approve Bitcoin ETFs now is closer to 90% and continuing to make moves up. So this is something that we keep hearing, but we haven't actually gotten confirmation from the SEC. What the SEC has done is said they're going to delay reviewing the applications. And this is after a U.S. court had already said, hey, you need to review your rejection because they basically were saying this should not have been rejected. So if the U.S. court is saying that, the implication is the SEC is gonna actually say yes. And if they do, that's great for everybody. So that's in short the takeaway from the article. I continue to be bullish on the sentiment that it will get approved, but I'm not sure when that big money is coming back into Bitcoin. Because if we know right now that this is a reality, why isn't the money coming into Bitcoin right now? Why isn't Bitcoin pumped up to like 45K just on this news alone? Because I don't think it's concrete. I don't think it's secure. I don't think this is what people, there's still maybe room to bleed a little bit more before we see Bitcoin take off. Um, so I think there was one more. So Visa, this is a win for Solana USDC. Congratulations. Visa did start incorporating Solana's blockchain, more specifically USDC, into their system. So it's going to help with international payments, and we'll see what ends up happening. Wait, what is this? I actually didn't see the video. Yeah, the Visa Treasury, the acquirer consumer can pay in anything, merchant receives it in USDC. So it's still early days, but Visa's already settled millions of dollars of USDC over the Ethereum and Solana blockchains between our clients. We're committed to continuing to innovate around how we move money and providing our clients modern options for settlement. So this is from Coy Sheffield, who is head of crypto at Visa. Okay, I'm gonna follow this guy if he really is, man. Wild. Keep an eye on him. Just published a new post on why I'm collecting. Visa is an authorization network and not a payment network. Merchants pay for real-time auth, security, and guaranteed payment settlement. Post-transactions when Visa moves money into the issuers for merchants and can help on wires. ACH now, crypto, Rails, network of networks. Okay, interesting. So this guy's definitely have a Twitter presence. Yeah, I'm gonna keep an eye on him. Let's see. We follow him now, goons. We're gonna keep an eye. What are you doing, Visa Crypto, man? What are you doing? So shout out to Visa, as you guys know, one of the biggest payment um authorizers, payment gateways, authorizers, whatever you want to call them. It's freaking Visa. Um, other than that, nothing else going on in the news. Don't even hit me with this clickbait Larry David Super Bowl ad cast doubt on FTX.US separation. I don't, it doesn't matter to me. You know, this ain't gonna help anyone except the celebrity. So don't even hit me with that BS, bro. This is straight clickbait. So yeah, that was it for news. Let me move on here to the chats, study the chats, please. I need to know what's going on. Okay, so guys, stick with me. We are not done. Nothing is looking bullish. Do not listen to anyone else's sentiment. We had SK do the triple G indicator. We're going to rely on the triple G indicator. And I continue to say this. I understand you see a long position or a buy signal currently on the triple G indicator. I am not agreeing with the current buy signal on the triple G indicator. This is for the day. Most of the reasons triple G indicator used for is the smaller time frames, right? The 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute, 30 minute. When it comes to the longer windows, I rely on the Andean oscillator. We love the Andean oscillator. If red on top, you're bearish. If green on top, you're bullish, right? Green good, red bad. So figure out what's on top. Right now, Andean oscillator is saying not so good. So continues being bearish. The other fun one, HARSI. People continue to look at HARSI and they go, oh, yeah, HARSI leveling off near the bottom. We're at 1987. You know, usually they say under 20 means oversold, and then above positive 20 means overbought, and even 30, right? The closer you are to 30 or negative 30, negative 50, even in this scale, actually, you're basically closer to that oversold or overbought situation. So that's what we're looking at. We are leaning towards that oversold, but it's not fully concrete buy signal. So I do believe this could be a fake out. It's just a longer fake out. You know how Bitcoin is. It's a very neutral sideways trading coin right now. I find him entertaining. Not a BitBoy fan, but BitBoy bit his own. BitBoy bit his own. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Do you believe in what he says? The substance abuse was an issue and the affairs were an issue. So, and his wife sticking through him after all that, she's the real trooper there, man. There's no one else that suffered more than his wife. That BTC ETF from Coinbase is what you want. Yes. Once BTC ETF from Coinbase comes in, that's it. That's the start. So we'll see. We'll see. So yeah, that's pretty much Bitcoin. And I do want to say the Bitcoin's chart may show you that long position coming in, but almost every other chart which follows Bitcoin shows you it's a short. It shows you that sell indicator. So I'm seeing that here. I'm seeing that here in the Indian oscillator, even the HARSI. It is being sold right now, if anything, with no indicator of going up. I see a small green candle coming in here right now. Maybe they're trying to make it a green day, but it is not. Nothing bullish has came in yet. Any degen plays, dude? We had some degen plays. We got into yesterday. We'll go look at those to see where they currently are at. Definitely, I will give you that. Give me 1 second here. Let me see. So we got BNB. The next one, still the long position comes in. I'm not long on it. Andean oscillator red and HARSI continue to be bearish as well. So feeling pretty bearish there. If I'm truly predicting, I want to get in on BNB under 200 at this point. CZ, don't let me down. CZ, don't let me down. Usually that's a bad thing, right? He's gonna let me down, buddy. He's got everything under wraps. So XRP is one I want to talk about. XRP, I think currently number 5 in the top 10 of cryptos. I do expect this to downtrend. I am looking at that 44 cents back again. So do not be puzzled when the time comes. Just be ready for retracement when it comes to XRP, because even with the grayscale ETF being overturned was not enough to pump XRP. So you start wondering if we're just waiting for big institutional money to come in. And if that's the case, we may be waiting just as long as we've been waiting for Bitcoin. When ETFs are traded, where will the BTC be purchased from? It'll be purchased from on-chain. So in reality, they will have to make BTC wallets and purchase BTC on-chain and hold them in the reserves and then give proof of reserves indicating that they have BTC or Ethereum for their thing. But obviously, first they start off with Bitcoin ETFs. Holding the most amount of Bitcoin gives you the power to trade. You will be the biggest contender, basically. So definitely very good sign when it comes to Bitcoin ETFs. And if Coinbase comes in, man, that's it. So I talked about Shiba Inu during the trending. The only reason I think it's trending right now is we got that fake Shibarium hype again. I would be very hesitant to say, hey, it's gonna go to 508. I'm just not feeling that myself. I think 7.6 is a good support level. We've seen even a little bit lower 7.4. We've seen it bounce back from 6.9. So I do believe this will continue to downtrend regardless of the amazing ecosystem, the rewards, the treats, the bones, whatever. I just don't know if it is enough to keep Shiba Inu's price action going positive. And then you compare it to something like Pepe, which has also showed some positive sentiment. We've been fighting for that 608 mark and staying around the 608, but it's just not something that's feasible. We continue to fight, and I'm sorry, I'm out, and I still continue to be bearish about Pepe. There's no utility. The dev team's already out. They have all their tokens in the exchanges, potentially sold off. To me, the chart didn't really go down enough to say the dev team sold off. So I still feel they're holding on to tokens ready to dump on us. And we're basically at the price that we were before takeoff. And you look at the liquidity ratio, you look at the market cap, and you go, you know what? Yeah, I'm not going to take that risk. Could be a whole nother dev ready to dump on us on the next thing. And I know Red Sox not here, but I did want to talk about Crow because I do feel, as I said yesterday, that we're going to get that opportunity where Crow dips below 5 cents. Did happen, and it got eaten up. So if I see another opportunity like that, I may consider DCAing for the short term, because maybe that could be it. But we are very close on that DCA. So if I'm gonna go long, now feels like a good time to go long. And just wrapping up with the bone, because this we followed it all the way through to Shibarium launch, almost $1.08, all-time high being $2.12, and even charting that with the previous all-time high of 2.4. We predicted bone to go at least $9 in the long run. So now it's at $1. Is that 10x or 9x we're going to be worth it at this level? That's the question you make, depending on what you've seen in the Shiba ecosystem. So that's my primary thing on charts here. I am moving along. Daddy, you going too fast. I can't keep up. Daddy, what are we doing? What are we doing? We're looking at what's new. So what's new is a segment where we like to look at the filter, which is a filter given to us by our very own SK. It goes through all of the blockchain, finding good liquidity and good volume to help make some degen coins to see if we can make our money back. Now, keep in mind, all of the coins we review during what's new are degen coins. Do not put in your money into these coins unless you're absolutely positive that you can take it out. Yo, Cooch, I saw your trades in the group. My man, you are a real goon with these trades. And I'm telling you, man, that Telegram is literally used. All of us goons are learning how to trade, how to make money on crypto. Coochie Boy is a goon since the beginning. He is teaching us this is how it's done. This is how I'm making money. John Crispala, same thing. SK, same thing. Anthony Williams, same thing. Mr. Sinister, all these guys are trying to learn crypto and make money in crypto. Currently, I'm very down, right? You guys know my wallets. I'm down like 5+ ETH on crypto. So I'm continuing to hope I make good decisions and get back to my 5 ETH and finally make some profit. I think currently we're sitting at 0.6, and hopefully we get to make it back. NW Coochie Boy always comes in hot with this place. Selmo Fudd, you need to get a Telegram and join our goon Telegram, man, because we have good people in there, I swear. So let me refresh real quick. I'm looking through the liquidity. I'm looking for high liquidity, high trading, 40K in volume here. What is this? Share Economics Protocol. Let me look at Share Economics Protocol. So it had its initial pump, and it looks like it could keep going. I am going to quickly just mark this off just so we have it and add it to the degen watch list. But I do want to go to the degen watch list real quick, just to look at our other tokens we got into. So risky rewards being one. We got quite a significant sell that crashed the price, and we basically got rocked on risky. So we're completely out, and we are done with risky. So the other one being dank, being the dankest coin, where we got in fairly good, 930K in volume. Well, we got rocked hard on this as well. The sells just keep coming in, taking out so much ETH that I don't think this is going to be the dankest anymore. So we're also out of this. Another bad play. And then the final one being the first one we got into, which is Pepper a while back, given to us by SK, and it has also retraced. So we are now holding to zero, and we're going to keep an eye on what happens. What's the TG link? Find me on Telegram, TDI Ganja. I'll give you the invite, Selma. Um, that'll be easier because you're gonna get a lot of fake links otherwise. Don't trust anybody. You message me and make sure it's me. I will give you a voice message to confirm. So yeah, that was basically wrap up on what we saw yesterday. Now we're looking at ones today. This has 20K in liquidity, 15K volume, not that much. $760. Yeah, the highest one is show so far share economics. Boost Classic. What's Boost Classic? Man, a lot of sells. It's already at a penny, man. Where Boost Classic, Teddy? 2 issues. Has whitelist. Trading cooldown. Buy tax 0. Sell tax 0.86. Oh, yeah. This could be the one. Owner address. Owner has an address. Show me the owner address. What's this owner doing? Remove limits. Renounce ownership. Oh, he renounced ownership with 1.78 in the balance, man. Oh, man. USDT coin marble race. And I only trade FK boost. Wait, let me see. Was that in here? Wait. No. This is boost TC. This is some other one. Let me see. FK boost. I don't see it. Yeah, so is boost the Pepe versus Dark Lord? What the hell? This one looks good too. 24K, volume of 712K. Oh, wait, this is the one. FK boost. Okay. Should we get in this, SK? Is that what you're saying? I watch list, degen list, and give me more. Give me more. Unlock it. All right, we're in. We're in at 6091. 6091 FK boost. Let's see what happens. When we add this on our it dipped, Teddy. 6085. You got a DCA, Teddy. You got a DCA. All right, let's assume my DCA. Oh, Teddy. Oh, you hit the top, Teddy. You hit the top. You're getting wrecked, Teddy. Let me see here. Teddy, I gave you Shepe when it was 200,000 mark and it's sitting at 8 mil. I got rug. You and F Joe Crypto also gave me Shepe too at the same 200,000 mark. And look at us now, dude. You need a real indicator that prints those Gucci dots. A real indicator. Tell me which one. I'll add it. Boost hit 100 mil but can't sell. Oh, really? That's horrible. That's horrible, man. This is 50K market cap, 17K in liquidity. Oh, man. We got rocked hard. Let's assume I DCA. What? I DCA and get back in at here. Relock it. Okay, I'm now DCA'd. I did 2 buys, boys. Don't dump on me, man. Don't dump on me. Freaking shrimps are dumping on me. You need a real indicator. Bro, someone sold 200 plus ETH on Boost. What? 200 plus ETH on Boost? I did not even see Boost on here. Let me see. Boost 2.0. Regular Boost Classic. Yeah, all these Boost plays are now going to take off. Let me find Boost on Dex Screener. Boost coin. I think this is the one. It's not this, not that, not this. I think this is the one, yeah. So this is the one, 707K liquidity, 43 million market cap, and that's why it's got such a high amount of market cap. I don't trust this one bit, dude. I see the 0.1 buys coming in like crazy. It's like I don't even know how much more this can go up. For shorts, my signal is the green wick at the top of an uptrend. For longs, the signal is the red wick at the bottom of a downtrend. Yes, and actually, Coochie boy, you should share the picture where you actually illustrated that, dude. I kind of want to put this on my main list. Let me see, main watch list. Let's get in here. Horizontal line. Boom. And lock it. And see. Oh, we're already up, Daddy. You up, Daddy? Oh, dang. So some sold. Filter. Can you just filter up and down? Oh, that is annoying. Followed two confirmation candles for direction. Yeah, that's usually what you do. You need to get the confirmation, otherwise it's not worth it. I generally wait till I see multiple time frame overbought/sold, then I go 3 minute for entry. I only win 40% of it. Get out of here, NW. You have so much resources to make smart decisions, bro. Don't do that to you. Don't do that, man. Don't do that. Don't be that guy. Trust me, man. You're not that guy. I'm gonna move over here to Goon Time. I believe that's enough of looking at that. Goon Time is your time, guys. Shout out charts you want me to look at. Anything you want an opinion on. Literally, I will read and respond to anything. I am not a person that goes and hides. Let me see here. Modi Papa Yama. What the hell? Yama? Daily gainers? Emoti? How is Emoti doing so well? What the heck is Emoti? Never even heard of Emoti. 1 million market cap, 118K. Okay. We got lock liquidity here for 11 months. Okay. What else we got? Dun, 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 dun. Yeah, I read the whole Will group today reading your strategy. NW is like another 128 sell on boost. Wait, what? Let me see. Wait, where's boost? Right here. 128 sell. Oh yeah, dude, that was a wild. I can't even see the 128 sell here. I believe you. I'm gonna just take this to Dex Tools actually. Boost. Tell me the boost. Boost. Mm-hmm. 984 holders. Dude, total ETH. All right, here we go. No, I want the most ETH. 123 ETH sell, dude. You're right. That is too fresh. That just happened. Oh, that just happened 2 minutes ago, dude. Oh my god, 123 ETH sell. Brought it down this much. Dude, I kind of want to see what I kind of want to get in this, but 32 million market cap is wild, bro. Like, what does this token even do? I'm blindly just going in just to like, yeah, this looks fake AF, bro. These photos look doctored. I can't even see the screenshots. There's no way this is authentic or real. Download our app, get it on Play. Is it really? Boost DeFi, 105K plus downloads. Dude, this is like some old app, bro, from 2021. This app has everything. Pasquale Selly. What the hell is Pasquale Selly? I don't trust it. I don't trust it one bit. But people aping. People aping, Teddy. People aping. As you're talking, it went up 5 million market cap. 11 ETH sells here. Dang, dude. It works on long time frames. I'm not as good as John, so I get in and out. Dude, exactly. I'm not good as John either. No one is. I think John's like futures god. I also try using the forex pattern: 3 up, M 3 down. Okay, I traded forex for 8 years. GBP/JPY is all I trade. Coochie, you're god level AI trading, my G. That forex can make a pretty penny. Don't buy boost. There's 2-day no sell for non-marked wallets, dude. I'm not buying it. I'm not buying it. That's just the FOMO talking. Sign up with Moo. What the hell, Moo? Sign up with Moo. The heck is Moo, dude? You're freaking blowing my mind, dude. I mean, this one's up freaking 32%. What the hell? What is this? What is this? Dude, I turned $28 worth of free stock into 8K trading stock options. Oh yeah, I remember. I remember you telling me this. Remember you telling me this. All right, let me see. Yeah, it sounds like you guys don't really want me to look at any chats. So that's your own loss here. I'm gonna go over to Ethereum. Let me just see some pairs. So Bitcoin, Harry Potter, Obama, how we doing? Making trends up. Pepe. And we already looked at Pepe. Shepe, Shiba v Pepe. Close. Reset. I can't even see the price. Okay, here we go. Oh my god, come on. Come on. Dude, that is so hard to see, man. Why would you do this to me? Dun, 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 dun. Well, it appears like it's up 390K, 10 million market cap. What Pepe Max doing? I haven't looked at Pepe Max. Let's go see. Pepe Max. How we doing, Pepe Max? We're down. Bollinger Band's coming in. Bollinger's trading right below the middle band. So we'll have to see if it bounces back up to that upper band. We're really seeing sideways trading, I guess, overall. We've seen support at 10.054. It's continuing to be around there. So this could be a crucial level for them. Liquidity wise, we got in 23K market cap, so we are down a little. 7.83K, so liquidity still there. Holders has came down. I think we've seen this above 100, and we're seeing retracement. So we're literally here waiting for the next leg up. So it seems like good DCA time and time to get in, because I know they've been hinting at utilities as well. I'll have to check in with Wadi next time he's available. I'll get him on to give us the update. Selmo Fudd. Me and Selmo need Pepe Max to hit $1. I need to hit $1, Teddy. From 10.049, bro, you're gonna be waiting quite some time. We'll be billionaires. Yeah, you will be. Line A token confirmed. Zora confirmed. ZK confirmed. Layer 0 confirmed. Starknet confirmed. They will probably airdrop Q4 or Q1. Use those chains for random transactions and get airdrop. Okay. I shall. Coochie Boy, that project is under construction. At least it seems that way. Wait, what project is under construction? Pepe Max is under construction? I thought Pepe Max has already taken off. Under construction? Oh, come on, man. They got more room to run. This is nothing. Full info Uniswap V2. Yeah. Seems interesting. If Pulse Chain gets to $1, I will be a trillionaire. Bro, you're gonna be waiting, man. You're gonna be waiting a long time. Pulsex. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros, 1. Dude, even the hexagons aren't that bullish, looks like. So, all right. Good luck. That is the hope. They definitely have the holders, they have market cap, and they have liquidity. So we'll see. How do we interchange with the chain to get the drops? There's bridges, and you can go from centralized exchange to one of the bridges to see if that's going to help as well. Let me see here. I have been moving most of my tokens to their native networks. That's good. That's smart. That helps you get airdrops, they say. Spark. Oh, it's doing well. 776 holders, 1.83, 1.7 million in liquidity too. Wow, what do these guys actually do? Yeah, buys and sells. Wow, haven't even heard of this. But anyway, guys, it is that time. I gotta go. I will see you again tomorrow, 8:15 p.m. Eastern. Don't forget, we're always here. We got nowhere else to go. Um, and basically, this rest of the week could be pretty neutral. We may be looking at sideways action for quite some time before we see another leg up. So I'll be here. I got nowhere else to go. You stay with me, and I will stick with you. So goodbye. Stay safe. Don't get rug pulled. And most importantly of them all, don't be a hero.
Don't get wrapped up. Yeah, yeah. 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 Get informed, get informed, get informed.